Well, hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So, jogging back to last Sunday, if you follow my deals to a T and you got the 6 Olay body washes to use the, I believe it's an 8 off of 4 and then a 4 off of 2. If you did that with a booster, guess what? This is kind of amazing. You qualify for a $5 Visa gift card when you spend 20 on these products, and Olay body wash is part of that. So I know a lot of you follow my deals to a T. I was trying to do a $50 basket, so I paid cash for the balance. So it does show that I spent at least 20 bucks on my basket, and hey, this is like razzle dazzle and magic right here. So just kind of going back to your receipts. Hopefully you don't throw your receipts out. The haul was on a Sunday, and I had grabbed 6 Olay body washes. So here they are, and I actually qualify for this because after coupons, which is the 8 off of 4 and the 4 off of 2, I still have $24 of Olay that I was buying. So the balance on my receipt was $28 because I had a lot of digital coupons for other items I was buying. So to get that extra $5, like an extra $5 Visa gift card, that's magic. And then I also got back like 2 register rewards. Even though they were store register rewards, I'm still very happy about that. But I qualify for this. Oh my gosh, I'm like really excited. And if you might have done a monster basket like yours truly, you might qualify as well. So the link for this rebate I will pin at the top of the comments. Please find it there, and it's spend 20, get back 5, but the stipulation for this is it has to be after coupons, or like if you were going to use like Walgreens cash, you can't. It has to show that you have a balance on that. So you have to buy a minimum of $20 of Olay to qualify for that. So it's pretty easy. And the window for this is from April the 1st to June the 30th. And as we did this on the 23rd of May, we actually fit into that window. So all of the fine print and all that stuff is here. You would just go through the form and do it online and fill it out. And then you have to submit a copy of your receipt as well, so you'll have to get a pretty good photo. I know that sometimes it's very tempting to just throw out your millions of receipts, so hopefully you didn't throw this one out. And all of the information, and they also want the UPC of both of the body washes. And my mother-in-law swang by here a couple days ago, and I gave her the one, so I need to go get one of the UPCs at the store because I don't have it. So but I do want to submit for this. But it seems to shake out. This is for US. It seems pretty easy and straightforward. And to get a $5 gift card, I mean, I think that's kind of amazing. Special thank you to the couple of subscribers who messaged me about this. And they're like, oh my gosh, there's this. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Because extra savings on that amazing basket. It's great. Now, if you did not buy a huge amount of Olay, here's the deal, guys. I think because Olay is on sale again as a 2 for $12, get back a $4 register reward for this upcoming week, I get the feeling that maybe they might throw us another coupon, a high value one, because they did it the month previous. They might do it again. They may not. But the minimum you have to spend to get this gift card is 20 bucks after coupons. It's in there in black and white, and it's pretty strict. But maybe they'll get generous. You know, sometimes Crest does that from week to week. They'll have like a 6 off of 4 and then a 8 off of 2. And Olay used to do the same thing. There was those same patterns. And I've been noticing that these Olay coupons have been pretty generous in the last couple of months. So fingers and toes crossed. We'll have to find out on Sunday morning. But fill this one out. We can do it twice per household, and it's some magic in here. So I'm pretty excited by this. An extra $5 is always welcome in my book. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.